Bonsoir tout le monde. Happy Sunday. I hope you guys had a nice sunshiny day. So this video is going to be short and sweet for this week because our week is short. But I just wanted to let you know what to expect for this week and also address some mistakes that I'm seeing in some of our work. So for Monday, the assignment practicing commands is writing a recipe. So remember, we can use commands to give directions, and one way that you give directions is in a recipe and you read directions. That's the imperative tense. And so for Monday, you can work on this with a partner, but that doesn't mean one person do it and share their answers. Really work together on it because this would be a partner activity in class. But you have some simple recipes to choose from. So mac and cheese, PB&J, grilled cheese. So choose one of those and then write in the command form how you make that food. I don't care really how many steps, like 5 or 6. They're pretty easy, so you don't need that many steps. And if you do work with a partner, you still need to both turn one in so that I know that everybody did it. And that's due on Tuesday morning. There also is a marker boards practice PowerPoint to practice for the quiz that I really strongly recommend that you do. So you probably don't have a marker board, but you can write it on a scratch sheet of paper and then just open the PowerPoint in like a slideshow presentation view, and then you can see the question or the sentence it wants you to write, and then you can click it to show yourself the answer, so kind of checking to see how you're doing. And I encourage you to do that because Tuesday and Wednesday is just the quiz. So I'm giving you 2 days to do it to make sure everybody has time before a break and you're not doing it over break. It's actually closing Wednesday night at midnight. And it's going to be, I give you a command in English, write it in French, and then there's a picture where you need to give the person in that picture 3 different commands. So please study for that on your own and do the practice before you do the quiz. And some of the things I wanted to address, mistakes that I'm seeing people make in the homework that you guys have sent, would be to leaving the pronouns. So instead of saying fini tes devoirs, finish your homework, people are still saying tu finis tes devoirs, you finish your homework. If it's a command, you don't need the tu there. Fini tes devoirs is the command, so make sure you're not leaving the pronoun before the verb when you're giving a command. Some people are not conjugating, so writing things like finir les devoirs instead of fini les devoirs. Make sure you're conjugating based on who you're giving the command to. And then sometimes people have been adding toi at the end of a command when it's not a reflexive verb. So you only add the toi or vous or nous when it's reflexive. So like brosse-toi les dents, brush your teeth. Se brosser is reflexive. We would not say finis-toi les devoirs because that would be like finish yourself the homework, and that doesn't make sense. So only add the toi, nous, vous with the verb when it's a reflexive verb. But otherwise, those are the main mistakes that I've seen, so please be checking the keys that I posted from last week so that you're checking your own work, even if it's just examples and not exact word for word keys. Still make sure that you're not making those mistakes. But otherwise, you guys have done a really good job. Nice job using the Metro map again last week. I was really impressed with how well you guys wrote that big chunk of commands telling people how to use the Metro. So good job. Not a whole lot this week. I hope you enjoy your Easter break and get to spend some time outside and somehow find a way to maybe virtually see your family for the holiday. So, joyeux Pâques et au revoir.